everyone, and today we will be doing another makeup tutorial slash review. So one of my friends, she had recently told me about this product, BH Cosmetics, and as you know, this week is Black Friday week, not just Black Friday anymore. I purchased some things. We'll just say that, you know, it's for my birthday or for Christmas. What I purchased were new brushes, so I'll be using a bunch of new lovely brushes today. Very excited about that. Stepping up my game now, I think, huh? So one thing I'm super excited about, I had read or saw one or two reviews and they were raving about this. This is Take Me Back to Brazil, and it is from BH Cosmetics. It's 35 color pressed pigmented palette and it looks sick. Today we're gonna do something fun because it's so cold out and it's pretty damn depressing, so I wanted to do something really funky. I'm very excited to give this a go, and I also ordered a professional blush palette, so I'm excited to see how these will look, how they'll sit on my skin. Same thing with the eye color, how they'll blend together. By now you guys know that I have sensitive skin and I'm extremely pale. So sometimes I have to put on tons of product, sometimes not, sometimes it doesn't blend very well, sometimes I break out. Everything and anything can happen, and that's why I'm here today. I think I'm a good candidate to try out this makeup. Hopefully this will give you some insight into the products. I had actually never heard of BH Cosmetics before, and I managed to get pretty much everything half off, which is pretty sick. Buying new makeup can be a little scary if you're gonna go spend a few €100, so that was definitely nice. Let's dive into this. We'll see you soon. So like normal, I'm going to start off with the Farsali serum, and I like to put this underneath. It seems to work pretty good, so we will be using that again today. And next I'll be going in with the MAC Longwear Nourishing Waterproof Foundation. So I'll take my beauty blender, which is now damp, and so I think we're nice and blended. I'm trying to hurry this up because I really want to get to the eyes, as that's like, well, I guess the eyes and the cheeks, right guys? That's what we're reviewing. Oh, I also, from BH, I ordered this Studio Pro Total Coverage Concealer. So it's supposed to really help correct pink or yellow discoloration, and I have both. So we will be seeing kind of how this is going to look. Oh, whoa. It's super light. So as I'm seeing right now, I put a bit too much product. It's seeming like you literally just have to use very little bit and it goes a long way. We kind of see how this goes once we put the contour, blush, and highlight. Hopefully it will bring some color back into my face. And I don't have an eyeshadow primer, so I went in and I have my Coverup and my concealer on my eyes, and hopefully that will do the job today. Oh, yesterday my friend actually gave me this product, Vagetthi. Sorry if I'm saying it wrong, it's Italian, and it's supposed to be insanely amazing for under your eyes, all over your face. Basically what I heard that this product does is that it's not erasing your wrinkles, but the product won't sit funny in there. And I find sometimes when you put powders on, it will, yeah, I guess not work. The other one from Catrice that I have that I normally use, I find great for the price point. So we'll see how this goes. I actually never tried it before, so we're just gonna peel this away and we will try it. And so I'm going to go in with my beauty blender and tap out some of this awesome, cool, supposedly magic product. And we'll start under our eyes. It's one of the new brushes that I have now, also from BH. And I'll take this and apply it all over. So far it's looking cute. Yeah, so I'm liking this powder so far. We'll have to see in the end how it looks with the whole finished face and if it holds. So I just opened up the blush palette and holy crap, this looks amazing. No mirror, but hey, the colors look freaking awesome. Look at this pink, like that's intense. But all these colors are so beautiful. I think we have some with some shimmer and then some that are just basic mattes, but like, come on, look at these. Oh. Let's use this brown color here. And we'll see how this works with our contour. Liking this so far. I think it's nice. The formula seems good. There's not too much fallout. For the blush, probably this color, and it's a little bit subdued, let's see. So yes, it's pigmented. So far I've only used 2 colors from this blush set, but the formula is really nice and the colors are very vibrant, very pigmented. So normally it costs I think 15 to 20 euros. I don't think that's too dear, and you get 10 colors. Like, come on, 10 colors for that price. That's pretty damn good. So